In this tutorial, you will get tips to help you get out of the escape room.
After making it to the escape room website and logging in, you're going to find all of the escape rooms that are available. Go to the escape room that you wish to work on or that your teacher tells you about. After clicking, you will begin the escape. This is a puzzle, so it's going to involve a lot of problem solving. There are tabs at the top of the screen, and then there are steps to follow. Make sure you read and complete every step. Read all of the directions in order to escape. Each step will have either a video or questions to answer or clues to get you one step closer to escaping. Sometimes there are directions in the video, and sometimes there are choices to make, such as which direction the character should take. You can make the videos larger and smaller. You can turn the sound on or off, but we recommend you leave the sound on. If the video pops up into a full screen, you can always press the play button. Escape button allows you to get out of the video or click off to the side. After completing the first step, you move to the second step. If there are questions, you can answer them here. Always use text evidence. And then after selecting the answers you think are correct, you can click Submit and see if your answers are correct. There's a lot of scrolling up and down to find directions and to find the next steps. It's a puzzle, so be sure you're always hunting. After working the passwords, you'll enter them to go into the next videos. If you make the right choices and choose the correct passwords, you'll continue on. Some of the questions are not self-checking, which means you don't click a button to answer them. You simply write them on your password decoder on your answer page. And remember, there are directions. You have to read every direction, understand them, and follow them carefully. Some passwords play videos, and other passwords, like this one here, will allow you to go on to the next screen. This password is going to open up the next part of the escape room. If it's wrong, you'll simply see the password deleted, and you'll not be allowed to enter. Which means you'll have to go back and try again. You can use your browser back button for this. If you enter the password correctly, you will be allowed to go on further. In this screen, you see there's only one tab here, password number 3, but there are 2 steps to follow. Be sure you read the steps, and then of course, do your best to answer the questions correctly. It's okay to get frustrated, but just remember, this is more than just reading and answering questions on a worksheet. This is about thinking deeply about what you read and about solving puzzles, solving problems. Good luck. I hope you can escape.